All right, this is the rabbit with the big pointy teeth, and it is by Toy Vault, the Monty Python, and it is from 2001, so it is retired. It's MP005, that's the item number, and there's the little tag. It measures approximately about 9 inches. All right, so it is a plush, a stuffed animal, and as you can see, the mouth, it has Velcro in the front. So if you squeeze it shut, it will stay, and then you pull it apart. Now, I think that maybe this hole is here just so these teeth can go up inside and it'll help the mouth to stay together. But if this fuzz, sorry, I'm trying to do this with one hand. If the fuzz gets onto the Velcro, it does not stay shut as well. So you really have to clear the fuzz and clear the teeth and really push the teeth together if you want it to stay shut. The teeth need to be pushed in and cleared so that it looks like an innocent bunny. The eyes are pink and very, very adorable. The ears do lay flat. You can kind of pull them up if you want. Soft plush, except for a piece of like cardboard, which comes back to give you the, I guess, make it so that the mouth opens and shuts. This is not a puppet. You have to physically just open and shut the mouth. It does have a string in there. It does have a tongue. The teeth do have a little bit of yellowing. It is from 2001, you guys. This item is available in my eBay store. I'm just going to show you the teeth here. The link is down in the description of the video. It is also up in the banner. If you guys are interested in buying this item, it is for sale. Super cute little bunny, but also very fierce and mean with its big pointy teeth. So again, it's by Toy Vault from 2001. It's retired. The fur looks good. It's still very white. Again, just a little bit of yellowing on the teeth. Doesn't look bad at all. Pink on the inside of the ears. Very, very cute. Very cute bunny. Again, sweet and then mean.